Action Jackson video today. A little different. It is a sneaker video. And got some props for me. See this? Some pennies. You see this? Got some kicks. Put it together. It's kicks for pennies. That means Kicksforpennies.com, and is a website where you can get shoes for the low. You buy bids and you can get them from anywhere from $1 usually to, if the rare ones go up to $50 maybe. Depends what it is. You need luck. You need to buy bids. If you don't have any luck, I don't recommend using this site. I don't have any luck, but I got lucky in getting an item. And you'll see what it is right now. There it is, Kicks for Pennies. Located in Florida. And we're about to unpack this puppy right now. Not an unboxing because it's not a box, it's a packing. Let's see what we got here. Let's find out. First, we got a Kicks for Pennies card. When the movement says, and some things. Let's see, some shoes. Bread 4 sold for $11.49. Bread 11 sold for $34.50. Grapes sold for $3.51. White grapes, hazelnuts, LeBrons sold for $3.95. Jordan 3 black cement sold for $21.19. Green Glow 4 sold to $1.57. Oreo 9 sold for $6.33, and Gamma's 11 sold for $1.74. So just, look at that, legitimate. But again, it's more than that. You have to read the rules. It's not just cut, plain and simple. So one, let's take a look at what I won. I won a Champs gift card. I won it for basically, I won it for $5. This is a $20 gift card. Actually $6. $6.95 to be exact. So basically I get $14 differential. I actually recently just won another one. So here you go. There's a Champs gift card from Kicksforpennies.com, and I also, this appears to be a sticker. Pretty cool. So the site's legitimate, and if you sign up Kicksforpennies.com, you can if you want. Gotta be lucky though. Again, no luck, then there's no point. And that's pretty much that. So thank you, Kicks for Pennies. You know, I had to spend money to get it, but it did save. You do save money sometimes. Most of the time, if not all the time, you save money. Yeah, I would say that's correct. So there it is, Champs gift card. Thank you for watching this. Navspace. Subscribe. YouTube.com/Navspace. Subscribe for more videos like this and other interesting content. See you later.